What is the radius, r, and the area, a, of the circle in terms of pi? Label B, C, D, E, and H. Join line B, C. The trick here is that when two equal sides of a quadrilateral and the center line, which is an angular bisector, are given, the third and fourth sides must be equal in length. Thus, line B, C equals 5 units. Let angle B, H, C equals beta equals angle D, H, C line C, H is an angular bisector. Join line C, D. This implies that angle C, B, D equals angle C, H, D equals beta. And angle B, D, C equals angle B, H, C equals beta. Angles in the same segment are equal. Thus, angle B, C, D equals 180 degrees minus 2 times beta. From triangle B, C, D use sine rule. The ratio of line B, C to sine D equals the ratio of line B, D to sine C. Substitute values and we have that the ratio of 5 to sine beta equals to the ratio of 8 to sine 180 degrees minus 2 times beta, which equals 8 divided by the product of 2 and sine beta times cosine beta. Cross multiply, simplify. And we have that cosine beta equals 4 divided by 5. By trigonometric identity. Sine beta equals the square of 1 minus cosine square beta. Substitute values, and we have that sine beta equals 3 divided by 5. Also, cosine 2 times beta equals 7 divided by 25 after substituting values and simplification. Substitute values for sine 2 times beta, and we have that sine 2 times beta equals 24 divided by 25. Thus, sine 2 times beta equals 24 divided by 25. And cosine 2 times beta equals 7 divided by 25. By trigonometric identity. Cosine 4 times beta equals cosine square 2 times beta minus sine square 2 times beta. Substitute values obtained. We have that cosine 4 times beta equals negative 527 divided by 625, which we call equation 1. Now, label center O and join line B, O and line D, O which are, each, equals to the radius, r of the circle. Angle B, O, D equals 2 times angle B, H, D which equals 4 times beta. It is because angle at center is twice that at the circumference of the circle. Consider triangle B, O, D and use cosine rule. The square of line B, D equals the product of 2 and the square of r times 1 minus cosine 4 times beta. Substitute values obtained. The square of 8 equals the product of 2 and the square of r times 1 minus cosine 4 times beta. Substitute value obtained from equation 1 and the given value, and we have that 64 equals the product of 2 and the square of r times 1152 divided by 625. Cross-multiply and solve for the square of r. The square of r equals 625 divided by 36 after substitution and simplification. Find the square root of the equation, and we have that r equals 25 divided by 6 measured in units. Therefore, r equals 25 divided by 6 measured in units. Also, the area of the circle. A equals the product of pi and the square of r, which equals 625 times pi all divided by 36 measured in square units.